We are on the palindrome number. Given an integer x, return true if x is a palindrome and false otherwise. Essentially, we'll have to reverse the number and check if it is the same as the original number or not. If it is the same as the original number, it is a palindrome number, otherwise it is not. Now look at this one. Quite simple. After reversing this number, it is the same as the original number, right? 1 to 1 when read from left to right and the right to the left is the same as the original number. So look at this. Minus 121 is not a palindrome number. Why? Because the minus sign comes over to the right side when we take this to be reversed. Now look at this. From left to right it reads as minus 121, and from right to the left it becomes 121 minus. Look at this. We reverse the number and it becomes minus 121, which we are reading from the right to the left over here, and it is not a palindrome. Essentially, a negative number is not a palindrome, right? So in the beginning itself we write an if statement indicating that if this number that is to be inputted, if it is less than 0, as in if it is a negative number, we return false immediately because it is not a palindrome number. Look at this. X, if it is 10, it is read as 0, 1 from the right to the left, and therefore it is not a palindrome number. Yeah, we have a constraint over here, minus 2 raised to 31. Okay, if you are a beginner, don't look at the constraint, right? Look at this. There's a follow-up question. Could you solve it without converting the integer to a string? And that is exactly what we have done over here. I'll show you the logic over here. We'll take this to check if a number is a palindrome number or not. The first condition is to reverse the number. The first step, I would say, is to reverse the number. So this is to be iterated again and again till the number that is input, it is not equal to 0, right? Let us check 1 to 3 when it is reversed to 3 to 1. We'll have to associate a temporary variable over here because this number is going to be changed again and again over here, and it is going to be 0 in the ending, and to not iterate it further. So the digit is extracted. The last digit is the remainder that we get from the modulus symbol. Look at this. X is 1, 2, 3, right? It's better if I explain the example over here. Let us take 1, 2, 3 over here as x. So 1, 2, 3 is not equal to 0, right? 1, 2, 3 mod 10. What is it? It is 3, as the remainder is 3. Now 1, 2, 3 divided by 10 is 12. Here we have a formula. The reverse number is the reverse number multiplied by 10 plus the digit. Look at this over here. 0 is currently the reverse number. This is 0, and 0 multiplied by 10 is 0 plus 3, it is 3. This is what is the result in the first iteration. The second iteration now, while 1, 2, 3 is not equal to 0, when 1, 2 is not equal to 0, x is 12 now, right? X is 12 in this current iteration. Look at this. The digit that is extracted is 2. Now x is equal to 12 by 10. It is 1, and here according to this formula, the reverse number is the reversed number multiplied by 10 plus the digit. It is, and the new number is 3 multiplied by 10. 3 multiplied by 10, this number multiplied by 10 plus 2, What is it? 32. Why don't we write 3 plus 2? Because 3 plus 2 is 5, right? Look at the third iteration. We'll do the similar steps. This is x now. Look at this. Here we have the third iteration. So the digit, when it is equal to, just a minute, this digit is 1. Okay, the remainder we get is 1. X is equal to 1 by 10, it is 0. And yeah, after this is 0, we'll not iterate it once again, right? So now the reverse number is the reverse number, that is multiplied by 10 plus the digit, that is 32. This 32 multiplied by 10 plus 1, which is 321. So the answer is 321. This is the reverse number. Now we'll check if this is a palindrome or not, that is if it is equal to the original number or not. When we reverse the number, we got 3 to 1, which is not the same as this temporary number, that is 1 to 3. So our number will not be a palindrome number, it will return false. We'll hit submit over here and this will get accepted. That's what. Yay, beats 100%. Nice.